So before we start with our adventures, we're going to show you our flats. This flat is in the BoonRumpa Accommodation. So this flat is located between the stations, the BTS station of Ari and Sao Paulo. Something you need to know first is how much we paid for this flat. We paid all together for 2 weeks, £350. We booked it via booking.com, so if you search for it you'll find it easily. So first part here, the bedroom. You know, cozy bed, really comfy. You actually have 2 sliding doors. So this room is like in the living room, but you can shut it at night and shut the curtains as well, so you get a bit of privacy. The bathroom is right next to it. So what is funny about the door is it's the bathroom door, but it's also the shower door. I've never seen that before. So it's quite small, but we've got everything we need. Also, with this apartment, we've got a cleaner coming twice. It's including in the price. So they come here, clean everything, change the bed. They also bring some water. And last small room. Unfortunately, we don't have the climatization here, so we don't really stay here because it gets too hot. And that's for the end. It's the swimming pool that we have outside. And the view on the different buildings.
So this is our first proper morning here in Bangkok. I'm completely shattered at the minute. This journey initially took it out of me, but I had a big sleep yesterday, but couldn't get to sleep last night, which wasn't helpful. But here we are, our first morning, proper morning. We've come to the local shopping centre, Centre 1, which is next to the Victory Monument here in Bangkok. Which is around about 15 minutes from our apartment, so not too far of a walk. There's a lot going on around here, a lot of market stalls outside, a lot of shops inside here. I've got myself this watermelon ice drink, which was 40 baht, so I believe that's less than £1, which is great. But yeah, just having a little stroll this morning, seeing what we can find.
So we just left the shopping center. You can basically find everything there. Like, you know, I asked so many places for my nails, so I think I'm gonna have to go back. But you know, if you want to buy some clothes or even food or I don't know, things for the bathroom, you know, beauty products, you've got everything there.
SIM card?
Yeah, SIM card as well. We just got a SIM card for, I think it was
about £5.
£5.
Unlimited data and calls for the month.
So we just got back. We're back in our apartment. It's really hot and humid outside. Obviously it's August, so it's still a raining season. It was actually nice to go outside, even though it's like makes it a bit more difficult, you know, to walk and being that enjoyable. But it's alright. What we're gonna do next is we've got a lovely swimming pool outside, so we're gonna go and have a swim. Let me show you. This is there. I mean, it's raining, but you know, we're already right, so...
There's a bit undercover there though, look.
Yeah, so we'll be fine. So this is the swimming pool as known, which is really good. So we're gonna go there, get a bit refreshed and enjoy our time.
Woo. But first, before we go anywhere, we picked up these little doughy filled dessert balls, I think. As you can see, look at the texture on that.
They'll put the name in the description.
Yeah, we'll put the name in the description. We can't remember what it was, but I think these two have got Nutella, A couple of these have got chocolate. I can't remember what that one was, and I think that one's strawberry. You got it. So this one's the Nutella one. As you can see, just to give you an idea of the texture, it's quite hard inside, in the middle, but the outside is this doughy texture. So let's have a go. It wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a little bit more softer in the middle, but the taste, it's not like dough at all. Right, so this strawberry one here is a lot softer than the last, as you can see. So I'm expecting this one to have maybe some jam or something inside. Oh yeah.
Oh, I want to try that as well.
Do
you like this one more than the other one?
I think I prefer this one more than the other one. Oh, this is refreshing to get out of that heat.
Yeah, humidity.
This is nice.
And we're alone so
Did
far.
you say it's open till 11 o'clock at night, this pub?
Yeah.
So
and then
come in even when we're hotter. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. And then the good thing, we've got a gym next door, which I'm going to try tomorrow because I like working out and I haven't been able to do it properly since we started traveling. So that's a very good place for us. I'll show you the view as well from here.
Just garlic and pepper.
Nice. Nice.
Really nice.
Happy birthday.
It's definitely rainy season.
Rainy season.
Welcome to Thailand.
I will be getting on the BTS for the first time, so I think we need to figure out how it works because we're not sure if you need a card or if you need like a ticket, but I guess we'll see.
It's quite simple to get the tickets. So we went up to the machine. It pretty much explained what we needed to do, and in English as well. There was an option to select in English. You selected your destination, put in your money. You got given a plastic card to use to enter the tracks, and then yeah, the card was recycled after that once we got here. So quite a straightforward process, and yeah, we'll be looking to use that a bit more often, I think. Shopping centre is absolutely massive. Can't believe it.
enjoying?
That's good. Bit spicy, but it's good.
All done for me. My favorite paneer. So we just got back to the Ari station. Really enjoyed the food, but to be honest with you, it was a lot more expensive than places we had so far. It's probably because it was like a really fancy shopping center. Really, you had, you even had Joe and Chanel and this type of places, and we were amazed how many food places there were in that food court. So I think if we go back, we'll go back for food, but it's more expensive. So now we're gonna get a Thai dessert that we saw yesterday. We wanted to try it, but it was out of stock when we asked for it. So we're going back now. Hopefully they have some, and then after this we'll head back to our apartment. So you've got two toppings here, pandan here in green, and condensed milk there in creamy color. And I think these desserts are called patongko. It's actually really nice. It's like a fried dough, like a donut type of thing, beignet, that we have in France. Having a green tea, 2 for 1.
Lemon tea.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
It's really amazing to be here. I mean, everything looks incredible, and we bought another guide as well, so we're able to go around and understand a bit more, what's around us. But I'm not gonna lie, it's like really, really hot.
Sweaty.
Yes, we'll see how long we're gonna stay here. It's amazing, but it's quite tough to walk around and deal with the heat, really. So how it's like to travel during the rainy season. So you must have seen it in our video. Sometime, you know, you'll get some really raining day, but most of the time it's usually humid outside and grey. So sometimes you'll get some droplets and it's just, you know, really cloudy and humid, and this doesn't stop you to go out there and do what you want. The only thing we've seen is when it's really humid, it's quite hard, you know, like to stay outside for a long time, because obviously you're going to be sweating and it's just not the best, but it doesn't stop you doing anything. Something else we've noticed as well is when it starts really pouring down, it's usually during the evening. Every time it happened to us, it was during the evening from like 4 o'clock. So we would advise you probably to go and do as much as you can in the morning, as early as you can, you know, wake up at 8 and go outside and make the most of the day. But like, I think within 2 weeks, because we've been here 2 weeks now, we had probably 2 days of sunshine. Today is actually alright, yesterday was fine, so you'll have some good days. So if you want to travel during rainy season, just be aware that it's going to be really hot and humid, but you can still enjoy and do things that you want.